So today we will learn about the internal structure of our human ear. So our ear is suppose this is the outer part of our ear. Okay. From here the sound which we hear enters through this our ears. So now what we will see is what the outer ear is called as pinna. This part is called as what? Pinna. Now it collects the sound from the surroundings. That this ear collects the sound from the surroundings, and this is called as what? Auditory canal. So you have seen this one is your auditory canal. Now here there is a thin membrane called eardrums. So once we will reach after this auditory canal, we will have one thin layer called eardrum here. Okay, this is called as what? Your eardrum. Now so at the end of this eardrum there is a thin membrane called the tympanic membrane. This is called as what? Your tympanic membrane here. Okay, now what we will see is what? When a compression of the medium reaches the eardrum presses out the outside of the membrane, increases the force of the eardrum inside. So when the sound or when some signals will be there, the pressure inside this membrane will be high. Okay, now once the pressure will be high, the eardrum increases the force and pressure. Similarly, the eardrum moves inward and outward. The eardrum which is there will be moved inward and outward like this. It will move. As it will move, the signals or the sound will go inside. In this way, the eardrum vibrates. The vibrations are amplified several times. Here the vibration of the eardrums will be amplified several times. This vibration of the eardrum will be amplified by three bones, that is hammer, anvil and stirrup in the middle ear. This middle ear transmits the amplified vibrations received from the sound wave into the inner ear. In the inner ear, the pressure vibrations are turned into electrical signals by the cochlea. These electrical signals are sent to the brain, and as a result of which this brain intercepts the signal as sound. That means what? You have seen this three ear: outer ear, middle ear, inner ear. Here are three. I said that here are three bones. Yes or no? That is, one is your hammer, one is your anvil, and one is the stirrup. These will what happen? Suppose the sound is coming. You have seen that when we are talking in a microphone, we will not sound that much. Yes or no? As a result, but later on this sound will be amplified into 10 times or 100 times. The small sound will be amplified to 100 times. The same as like these three bones, that is anvil, hammer and stirrup, will what happen? Amplify the sound which is coming from the outside and will be sent inside the ear will be what happen? Amplified. That means it will increase the volume of the sound. Okay, so this is the ways through which we can hear the sound which is coming from outside in our ears.